Building an electric lift for the trailer bed. Gotta put one more actuator in, and we'll give her a shot. Here, let me see over there for a second. Yep.
Oh, I see. Okay. That's why I was going around it.
There's the pintas. Double actuators.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, you dropped the pin. I seen it fall right there behind that white shoe. Which one? Underneath that white shoe in the back. There it is.
Where? I don't see it.
Oh, that's a screw. I thought. Hot in here.
Yeah. Indeed.
Won't fit or what? We got it.
We got it. We got it. We got it.
Sounds good. Got the remote. Oh,
What was that?
must have slipped back on the hinges. I mean, I'm guessing. I don't know. Oh, it slipped off the hinges, that's why. It's going crooked. This one looks taller than the other one. That one's up higher, that's why. Remember like I was saying? We're gonna have to run one. We're gonna have to bring this one down a little by itself. So all we gotta do is the wiring. That way we'll bring it down so that way we can screw it in, right?
Yeah, because we gotta get those screwed in right there. Look.
Yeah, no, because this one's higher than that one, so it's ripping it out.
Yeah.
I wonder if this one's moving faster.
I don't know. I don't think so.
I think it was just extended a little bit further than the other one. So,
Yeah, that's what happened.
all right, let's rewire it real quick. Down all the way. Good.
Okay, let me have another drill. A drill bit.
Yeah, drill bit's right here.
All right. And then go grab me another screw.
Yep, I got you.
Is this a bigger one?
It's the same size as the one on this side.
Is it? Oh, it might not go through then. It might hit that one. But no, maybe not.
Went in there all the way.
Yep.
Good.
Okay. Have Grandpa Bill come here for a minute.
Hey, Grandpa, you want to come check it out? Come on in and see what we got. Automatic bed lifter. Bam, bam. Here, I'll squeeze back this way, that way you can check it out here. That's down all the way, huh?
Yep.
Perfect.
Now you got to make sure you don't go up too much higher than that. Okay.
We need to paint those red right there. That way,
Yeah.
you know, that way they'll see once it
You
starts
have a
turning
red
red.
Sharpie?
Red Sharpie?
Yeah.
Some red paint.
Or red paint or something?
No, I got black. But
Yeah. Let's take a black pin and we'll put that right there. That way you can kind of keep your eye on that one over there and make sure that it
Put
doesn't
like
go
a-
any higher.
Do not go higher or something or something. Here it is, electric bed lift.
Did you get a picture of it?
Like and
Do
subscribe.
it again.
There it is. Pretty cool. I'm about to do this in my floor, in my room, that way. Have some storage underneath the house,
There
you
you
know?
go.
Secret compartment. Look at that. Perfect.
How's that?
looking good.
Okay.
It's
so-
only one thing, if you could, while Jesse's got a drill, can we drill a hole through there rather than it lay?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yep, we sure can.
That's fine.
Yeah.
And that won't get pinched off.
Through
Just
the
gonna have to be a
through
big hole.
this.
Yeah.
Through the.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Let's do that.
Cool.
Okay.
All right.
Go ahead.